Students, this is the third and the last part of the video. Ankush looked at the auntie a little shy. I thought you were luggage, he said, because you were covered with that cloth. Now, Ankush said to auntie that once he saw her, she was thinking that she was a luggage. Then what happened? The auntie began to shake with laughter. She laughed till the tears rolled down her cheeks, and finally she gave him a pretend slap. You little rascal, how dare you? What happened? After listening to these words of Ankush, she started laughing a lot, and she has given a very soft slap on the face of Ankush, and she said rascal to her. Ankush began to jump up and down as he always did when he had been up to some mischief. Over here, Ankush showed a playful behavior. You are luggage, you are luggage. No, I am not, I am your Saida auntie. And he started teasing the women, and she introduced herself as Saida auntie. Ankush tugged at her black covering. That's what you cover luggage with. Maybe, but it's also what I cover myself with, and it's called burqa. What happened? Ankush pulled that black covering, and he told Saida that he was considering her luggage just because of this black covering, and she told him that it is my cover, and I cover myself with that black cloth, and it is called burqa. Just then Hari Singh came hurrying into the compartment. He looked at the two of them a little puzzled. Just then what happened? Hari Singh came in that compartment, and he was so shocked after watching both of them. Baba, I almost forgot you were frightened when we went through a tunnel. And he said to that boy that I was frightened, that you must be scared when the train was passing through the tunnel. Sitting up in Saida's auntie's lap, Ankush looked Hari Singh straight in the eyes. And see what happened? Ankush was sitting in the lap of Saida aunties, and straight away he was watching in the eyes of Hari Singh, and he said, frightened? Who? Me? Of course not. And he said. Students, now I am going to give you some RTCs and question answers which you have to do in your fair notebook. This is RTC 1. Extract is, he pushed against it with one shoulder as he had seen Papa do. First question, from where is this extract taken? Answer, this extract is taken from the chapter The Tunnel. Second question, who is he? Answer, he refers to Ankush. Question 3, why did he do so? Answer, he did so because he wanted to open the window and look outside so that he would forget his fears like his father had told him. Question 4, what happened after this? Answer, after this the window fell on his hand. RTC 2. Extract is, finally she gave him a pretend slap. You little rascal. Question 1. Who is she? She refers to Saida auntie. Question 2. Why does she call him little rascal? Answer, she calls him little rascal because Ankush thought that she was luggage and told her so. Question 3. Why wasn't it a real slap? Answer, it wasn't a real slap because she wasn't really angry from or angry with him. RTC 3. Extract as, he looked at the two of them a little puzzled. Question 1. Who is he? Answer, he refers to Hari Singh. Question 2. Who are the two of them? Answer. Ankush and Saida aunty are the two of them. Question 3. Why was he puzzled? Answer. He was puzzled because he did not expect anyone else in the compartment and because Ankush seemed happy instead of being terrified. The question answers of this chapter. Question 1. Why do you think Ankush refused to talk to his parents? Answer. Ankush refused to talk to his parents because he was angry with them and did not want to let them know that he was also sad and afraid. Question 2. What would Ankush normally do when the train went through a tunnel? Answer. When the train went through a tunnel, Ankush would sit in his mother's lap. Question 3. What did Ankush do to forget his fear? Answer. To forget his fear, he tried to open the window and look outside. Question 4. How did Saida aunty look? How was she dressed? Answer. She was rather plump and had pan-stained lips. She wore big gold earrings, a salwar kameez and a very long dupatta around her head. Question 5. What did Saida aunty do before she gave Ankush food? Answer. Before she gave Ankush food, she took out a small towel, poured some water on it and wiped his face and hands with it. She then spread a napkin on his lap. So students, this is all about the chapter. Do your copy work neatly and correctly, and no need to do word meanings in your copy, just learn them from your book. At last, I would like to say, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.